Y'all. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. One time. You know what that means. It's war time, baby. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get it right. Redan's just drop type shit. Verdan's just dropped. Hold on. I got the ghillie suit on. Uh-oh, shit. Smoke going. Ooh, it's smoking in this bitch. Hold on. Oh, he turned up in this shit. Ah. Pow, pow, pow. Hey, can you see it? Nigga, it's a motherfucking war zone in this bitch. Verdan's just dropped, nigga. Keith, Verdan's just dropped. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, I'm too turned up. Hey, we on day 93 of 365. Redan's just dropped. It's April 3rd. We finna get into it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. How y'all feeling out there, man? Hey, if you in the chat, make some noise. I said, if you in the motherfucking chat, make some noise. It's hot in the motherfucking here. Hold on. Hold on. Y'all see what's going on? Uh-oh. Let go. Let's get it. I know. Let's get it. Hold on. Who's hot in the motherfucking here? I can't even breathe. Hold on. The gas and motherfucking smoke keep going off. Uh-oh. How y'all feel about it? Hey, if you in the chat, make some motherfucking noise. If you in the chat, make some motherfucking noise. Hey, I ain't never played Redan's. I ain't never played Redan's, but goddamn, it's about to be my first time playing this motherfucker. We about to be on this bitch 48 hours straight. You hear me? 48 hours straight. Y'all hear me? 48 hours straight. Shit. Oh, shit. We're about to be on this bitch 48 hours straight, man. Can y'all believe that shit? I don't think y'all really believe that shit, huh? Well, guess what? 48 hours motherfucking straight. Hey, here I come, merch, y'all. Here I come, Marley. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. We coming. Still, nah, he said 48 hours sticking up the janal. We ain't sticking up no joint. We getting kills. We put niggas in the body bag. We having fun. 48 hours of greatness. The first 48. You hear me? The first 48. I'm gonna get my timer together right now. Do gotta learn the map. You're right. I do gotta learn the map. I do gotta learn the map. But other than that, natural born killer. You see this? Your ass is in the grass. What? Man, y'all just be, hey. Let me see, I know the superstore. Listen, I'm a killer, man. I'm natural instincts. Y'all know that. I got natural instincts. And y'all niggas just talk. I'm trying to get my timer together. My bad, y'all. Bro, okay, here I come. Here I come. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. I'm finna join. I'm about to join. Just give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes is all I'm asking. Just 2 minutes. I'm finna put my timer up so y'all can see this ain't no game. I'm going 48 hours strong. 48 hours strong type shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm at the oh shit. Hold on, I gotta turn this goddamn smoke alarm. My motherfucking smoke alarm just went off. God damn. Oh shit. Hold on, let me. God damn. Shit. Shit. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. My bad. Whew, shit, I gotta air this bitch out. My bad, y'all. I gotta air this bitch out. Smoke alarm just went off. Hold on, the smoke alarm just went off. Whew, shit. Hey, even if you don't watch it for the whole 48 hours, hey, keep me tabbed up. All right, keep me tabbed up. Keep a tab open for me. Oh shit. Oh shit. My shit about to go off. Hold on. Damn, my shit on fire. God damn. Hey, first thing we gonna have the fire department show up. Right. Hey, y'all go ahead and start, bro. I'm gonna catch up on them. Hold on. I gotta clear this bitch out. This bitch will not stop smoking. Y'all go ahead and start. Hold on. I'm gonna be there. Let me get the smoke up out of here. Oh shit. Oh my god. Goddamn smoke machine. That motherfucker should get smoky in this bitch. That bitch was getting smoky. Oh shit. When I say smoky, that motherfucker was smoky. I mean, god damn. Whew. I said that motherfucker had smoke in this bitch. I mean, god damn. Shit. Man. Yeah, I was in the chat. Shit crazy. I had this bitch out. This bitch smoking, boy. Had to air this bitch out. This bitch was smoking. I ain't gonna lie to you. This bitch was smoking. Whew. Shit. All right, I'm about to load up, man. All right. That motherfucker's too hot. All right. Okay, here I go. I gotta get the timer.